Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ProteaneGov Technologies. Our analyst maintains buy on the company with a price target of Rs 2,510. As we believe that while favorable macros provide sufficient headroom for growth in legacy business, the traction in new business segment is likely to provide further impetus to growth. We expect sales CAGR at 18% and PAT CAGR at 30% over FY24 to 27. At current market price, the stock trades at 55.1 times FY25, 45.8 times FY26 and 34.8 times FY27 EPS. Next, we cover Mahindra and Mahindra Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Mahindra and Mahindra with a SOTP-based price target of Rs 3,490. Due to a healthy traction in its PV segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the EV space, Mahindra and Mahindra recently launched ROXX has been receiving healthy response in the PV market. Further, Mahindra and Mahindra is outperforming the domestic PV segment and gaining market share in the tractor segment. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 22.5 times its FY27 earning estimate.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.